Today we have teachers from Alexandria City Public Schools learning how to create projects that teach coding and computational thinking.
The first activity we're going to be doing is pair programming.
He can like switch spots and get in front, or if he just needs to like all of a sudden jump up and move over there.
We've been looking at Scratch Junior, and we've been talking about different types of lessons and how we can integrate it. Also, how to start with students.
I am a teacher. I help in my community.
I am a teacher. I help in my community.
Well, as educators, I think it's our job that we create opportunities for our students so that as they become adults, that they can pursue their interests.
Go a little farther. Do you want me to just change these numbers?
Yeah, just change them.
Computer science teaches perseverance. So not only are they learning these skills, but they're also learning that everything they do is not going to be perfect the first time they try.
And it's supposed to say and learn together.
I was really excited to be here today because I'm looking for ways to integrate coding into our instructional day. So it was really great to have some time to talk to other educators here.
I love being able to collaborate with not only the people I work with in my building, but across the school system. So it's been a great opportunity for us to get to know each other. I'm learning from others who are in different schools, work with different students throughout the school system.
Yeah. Okay, I love it.
Software engineering is something that it's a field that's obviously very lucrative, and if we can get kids engaged in understanding how that field works early on, it's pretty exciting.